Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store using Motorola Moto G82 5G. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we can try finding Call of Duty already. But as you can see, there's no game that we want to download. So now let's go back, click on our profile picture, move to the settings, family, parental controls, and there's a few ways, 2 ways exactly, to fix that. The first one is to disable parental controls, enter your PIN and then select OK. And the next is to press on apps and games, enter your PIN as well, click OK, and here increase PGI to at least 16 or 18. Click save, go back. Now we can try to find Call of Duty again, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.